Yes, I am. How are you, Tom?
I'm on top of the world.
Well, we have lined up a number of stories for you, including another deal involving Adani is in the offing. We have that and much more. But first, we'll kick off with that deal where another deal involving Adani is in the offing. The Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, KETRACO, is in the final stages of negotiating a privately initiated proposal with Adani Energy Solutions and Africa 50 to construct a 625 kilometers high voltage transmission line. If the proposal is adopted, KETRACO proposes to increase electricity tariffs, that is, to service the 30-year loan from Adani Energy Solutions and Africa 50. 3 widespread electricity outages have been experienced this month. The blackout occurred after the Suswa high voltage line tripped, disrupting the evacuation of 200 megawatts of power from Ethiopia. Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi attributed the frequent blackouts to aging transmission infrastructure and inadequate investment in power transmission.
Generation without transmission is like having water but no pipes deliver it. And in our case, the pipes need serious upgrading and expansion.
KETRACO is now seeking $5 billion through public-private partnerships to revamp and expand the electricity transmission network by 10,000 kilometers, as well as address system reliability and technical losses.
We still have a huge deficit because these are issues that we should have done long ago, but we have not been able to. And so therefore it is important that we have to open up the sector and see how can we be able to bring on board private capital.
If we do not address these issues as a country, we risk not only higher costs, but also inefficiencies that will hamper our ability to meet future energy demands.
We have agreed, yes, it has improved over time because we have increased the numbers from 3,400 to 9,000 plus, but we're still not where we're supposed to be. So we still have a lot of work to be done.
KETRACO is evaluating 10 projects under privately initiated proposals. 2 foreign firms, Adani Energy Solutions and Africa 50, have expressed in developing and managing 625 kilometers high voltage transmission line for the next 30 years. Though negotiations are ongoing, Adani is proposing to build 388 kilometers of transmission lines and substations at 94.4 billion shillings with a coupon rate of 9.5%.
Adani had given us their offer like any other person. Right now, what we need to ensure that Adani Energy Solution, does it have the experience to undertake the work? So one is diligence has been done and we have a team that is going physical on the ground.
Africa 50 is also seeking to construct 388 kilometers of the line through a privately initiated proposal. To service the loan, KETRACO is proposing an increase in electricity tariffs.
Our target is to reduce the cost of the project, the cost of money, so that in the end, when we have to compute the tariff, which is still a long way to go, we'll have a product that is good for Kenya and not hurt the pockets of Kenya.